Hi guys, check this out. I activated my Siemens washing machine. It made sounds like it's working, but it didn't spin. Then this error F43 code appeared and I couldn't open the hatch. So today I'll show you what to do when you see that error. First, I reset the F43 error from the touch panel in order to open the lock hatch and to empty it from the laundry. The next thing to do is to find and fix the reason that caused this error, when usually this error relates to the engine's brushes. The first thing to do was to unplug it and shut down the water. Then I needed to access the back of the washing machine and unscrew about a dozen screws to remove the back panel. Next step was to remove the motor, but before that, remove the belt. The motor is screwed with two bolts, so I unscrewed them with my ratchet and pulled it out. Needed some leverage here. Just be careful, for this motor is quite heavy and once it released, it dropped on my finger and squashed it. Remove the connectors. Just pull the two clips and pull it gently. Now remove the two carbon brushes. First release the small pins and then pull the brushes. These brushes are supposed to be about 5 or 6 centimeters or 2 inches long. So mine, you can see, were all worn out and definitely needed to be replaced with the new ones. But before you take it out, you need to take a note of where the worn sides are and insert the new brushes so it will face the motor the right way. Make sure the springs goes all the way in properly so it will constantly push the brush towards the motor. Then secure the spring. Reconnect the connectors. Then doing exactly the same on the other side of the motor. The next thing to do was to put the wiring, reattach the motor, put the belt on, and pray that the machine will work and that the motor won't go up in flames. Thank goodness. Now closing everything and back to normal.